Le Mans Endurance Hypercars, a new name and a new concept for the top class in world endurance racing. Debuting in 2020, the category offers manufacturers and privateer teams the chance to compete head-to-head for outright victory. Within the framing of the regulations, competitors can choose to run either a clean sheet prototype design of their own choosing or develop an existing production road car model for the track. Several key factors will govern performance. The minimum weight will be 1,100 kilos, with a powertrain average of 550 kilowatts or 750 horsepower. Minimum lap speed around Le Mans in race trim. The target will be 3 minutes 30, and there will be a single tyre supplier for all hypercars. Flexibility in design approach has been a key concern. Hybrid systems may be used but aren't mandatory, and power units may be either road-based or pure race-bred, but they will all run on a single fuel. There will also be a decent degree of aerodynamic freedom, allowing manufacturers to tailor cars to their own design. To balance hybrid and non-hybrid machinery, deployment thresholds will be introduced, ensuring a level playing field for all competitors in all weathers. The regulations have been framed to offer flexibility of design approach, close competition between manufacturers and privateers, and a solid period of rule stability. Engineering ability rather than budget will be the deciding factor, and the regulations will blend the glamour of hypercar machinery and the awesome pace of purebred racing prototypes. To ensure a level playing field, performance will be established during the homologation period for each car, with in-season BOP to maintain that equilibrium. The future is bright. The future is Le Mans Prototype Hypercar.